my drink, my drink.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, what looks like a good bug? Look at this bass just looking at us right there. Here, let's see if I can get doodads right there.
Anything I have.
They're already looking at it. Oh, and I got the tree. Did my bug? Oh, come on! Look at that! What's that? What's that? What's that?
They're like little dogs.
I know. Oh no, he's chasing it. Come on! What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Come over here! Come here! Oh, he had it. Okay, I'm gonna go find a beast or something. It's been so long. Sunfish. I'm already having fun. Oh, more sunfish. Oh, Celina, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Perfect GoPro. Oh my God. Okay, time to take this dress off. We're bikini fishing here. Oh my God, I want that sunfish. Oh my God. Let's see if I can get them. Oh, they're everywhere, Celina, they're everywhere. They're so pretty. I'll actually venture out to where bigger ones are. I'm too excited. What would these guys like? They'll bite anything, but I feel like I'm being professional if I keep changing my fly. That's how it works, right? Oh, they like this bug. That's what I figured. Oh. Hey. Boop. Okay, I'm going in the sun because I need it. I gotta stop casting in the weeds. You just took it. I don't even need to do anything. I just drop it. Oh no, he's off. Oh no. Oh, I found somebody's swim bait. Nice. That's not a swim bait. I don't know what that is, but I'm taking it. What? It's not legal. Dude, look at this thing I found. 2 treble hooks. Can you throw it?
No.
I got it. They like hide under the kayak if you go slow. They're like curious. They come up to it, and then they like hide under it. It's like, what are you guys doing, you silly fish? Oh, wait. Oh, that's weed. I'm like... Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. Linda. Yeah? I got you beat. What even is this?
Some sort of egg. There's so much over there, dude. There's like a section of it. It's gross.
I don't know if eggs are some kind of like weird fungus.
Linda.
Like, yeah, look at it all. Ew. Looks like frog eggs, but it's not. It's some sort of fungus. How do you even Google it? Like
I'm normally pretty good at Googling weird things, but like, what the fuck?
Thing that looks like frog eggs might be fungus, also has weird round balls in it, but it's not eggs. What is it? Oh, I got a fish. I want to see you. Oh, Celina. Oh, shit, that was a pretty decent, he was like that big. That was a decent bass. Dude, that bass was like the biggest one like I've seen in here.
Look at that shit. Isn't that what we just saw?
Yep. Yeah, and oh, sorry, I got a fish. That's exactly, Celina, I saw like that round one.
So the pros, they live in colonies and they filter feeders. So they eat algae and other small creatures.
I think this is a sunfish.
They're native.
But they pull hard for little dink things.
They require clean water, so that's gotta, you know what? That's gotta be a good thing that they're here.
The size of this guy.
And you're like, it signals that you have a healthy aquatic environment, yeah.
Cool, yeah, and that round ball, like, hadn't had that patterns in it. It's what I found last year on shore.
Yeah, so. Hello,
what is it?
Protozoa. I recognize the other name. Bryozoans.
Bryozoans.
What is that? I like the other way. But he's all speak.
Testicles?
Tentacles, and if you disturb them, they'll retract their tentacles.
So it's like...
These are kind of cool. They're
like coral.
But for
yeah.
for fucking lakes, fresh water.
Okay, dead ass. I had somebody ask me once, like, is the water polluted? That shows you that the water's not fucking polluted. Wildlife isn't in polluted places. You know what's polluted? The waters of Vancouver. You been to the beaches of Vancouver? It's some scary stuff.
It involves from a marine worm.
Everyone loves marine worms.
Dude, they're dinosaurs.
Interesting.
It's sitting on the back of your boat right now, Linda. Towing it around.
So I should probably let them go, is what you're saying.
Go let it breathe somewhere else.
Oh, weird. If there are big bass, they're gonna be all around here. I'm gonna go in the deep and just troll. Because I want to explore and might as well have line out or something. Oh my god. That's actually a fish. That's a hefty fish. I can't even hate that. Another sunfish. Oh, and he's even a weed trailing behind him. Oh, it's a little guy. Female looks like. Oh, sorry, little guy. Where'd you go? I wanted that bass. That was like the largest bass I'd seen in this pond. We're on a search. Want to search for dink bass, which may sound sad, but it's not. There's just gotta be a 1 pounder. Life of Linda Lee. Hey there.
You like it?
Oh, just sunfish.
Sunfish?
Sunfish, and there's bass, but they don't get very big in here. Like right there.
Oh, you catch sunfish?
Yeah,
Yeah, good.
he's a small one. Where'd he go?
Nice.
Thank you. Oh, there's a beaver lodge here. Another one. Another guy. Oh, I wish I got that bass. We're pretty. Oh, here. I'm so sad. The one bass I hooked that was decent got away. Now I haven't even got another bass. I probably should have cleaned my lens. I didn't even check it. Ah, I'm falling. I'm falling. Thanks, man. That's the best drug trade. Pure candy.
Look at the mix.
Oh my god. Hot lips. Good. I haven't had hot lips for so long.
Of course.
Oh my god. Bananas and duckies and...
It reminds me of the bananas when we got all the kinds of bananas.
An Abbotsford. I still remember that. Banana slushy. There was so many banana candy there. I still haven't had that much banana candy since. What flavor is that taffy?
Oh, which one was it?
Oh, it's like the mango Mexican.
It was the hot Mexican, Spicy mango?
Yeah.
Is it good?
It's not bad.
Yeah, I feel like you have to be Mexican to get it.
But it's not really mango-y. Usually they're more mango-y and more like, you know.
I feel like it's twice as Mexican.
Yeah. Well, wait, are these banana bottles?
What? Yeah, they're called like banana milk teas or something. Milky bananas. I don't fucking know. Something squishy and banana-y. Banana frothy bananas.
Whoa, 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 over my line. I want that basket. I'm so angry. Like, what?
You know in his hair?
I had a nibble. I want you to rock me, rock me. Is that a One Direction song? I don't know. I'm almost eating this whole bag of candy. Is it actually any good?
No.
I will water in my bag. Where'd you get the freeze dried stuff?
Stickies.
What the hell?
It's a big Cheeto puff. It's the new best kind of bait, bruh.
I don't hate it. But I don't know if I necessarily like it.
It tastes like those powdered sticks, but you like lick the end of it and then with that. It's the closed end of a pixie stick.
Yeah, when you after your saliva gets in it and it like encrusts over it and re-dries. Yeah, that totally tastes like the end of a pixie stick. You've left it for a day, decide to go back. But I can't stop eating it, so it's not bad.
It's good. Linda, I think it's good.
Novello shoves it up his nose in the girls' change room. Why was Novello shoving pixie sticks up his nose in the girls' change room? Wasn't that against his will?
Oh no, dude.
Why do you get dragged into the girls' change room and then bitch about it?
That's one of
That's ah! I can't even tell if this is a fish or a weed. Like, no, it's swimming. Yeah, weeds don't pull. Dude, you're blocking my fish, man. Oh, I think this is the biggest one yet.
He's just covered.
Holy crap! Look at how pretty he is. Oh my god, he's huge. Wow. For sunfish, that's pretty big. He's pretty. I can't get over him. Well, let you go. Be free.
I'll shove that one in my purse.
I'm a YouTuber.
Oh,
We catch fish. Stick around.
Bye.
Oh. He went zing! You're a fun zinger. When the sunfish sticks out line, you know life is getting a little sad. And do I get it? I wanted that bass! Yeah, have you seen that thing where they're like bass fishing? They use Twizzlers. That was a thing. What? Was that you? Oh no, it's another one. I thought that was you! Is this gonna be a bass? He's pulling different. Give me a bass! No, it's another damn sunfish. Another giant one. It's not as big. Another one. Oh. They are pretty, that's for sure. Come on. The hook a little stuck in them. Really? Here you go. Got a bassie. Or sunfish. Gotta check my... every time I go to check something and these bloody sunfish. And another one. Woo! Whoa, nobody told me my nipples was hanging out. How many fish can I not show now? They like destroyed my shrimp. Assholes. Is it time for a new bug? Because this one's all chewed up. Yes. And then he had like 2 treble hooks with barbs on this thing, and I'm like, dude, the fish can't even fit that in their mouths. That's a fish. Another sunny. Whack him into the side of the number bajillion. He's warm! He's like even sunning himself. Where's this beaver now? Did you see where his dam was? It's like over there in between. Is he dead? It's only the head. Holy crap, that's disgusting. Oh my god, it's bloated, but... Oh, it stinks! Oh, you're disgusting!
Oh, I did not mean to do that.
Oh, you're disgusting!
Camera quality.
Dude, there's like fish juice. Disgusting. Dude, you're disgusting! It like leaked in the middle pool. Like, so there's just a pool of rotting fish water. I don't know, I don't know what to do here. Also, I don't see any evidence of a beaver, and you promised me beaver watch. Okay, you know what I'm gonna have to do? I'm gonna have to get like moss and soak this up, because this is actually rank. I'm just a dead salmon, so like in my head it's like, oh, it's not too bad, but it's also pretty bad. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get all this weed. I wasn't expecting that to work, but it worked. It just soaked it all up. That's the tonight's reel. Yeah, there's still guts everywhere. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, Celina. Oh. That other one that was like 4 times the size of this. Oh, and he's gone. Okay. I got a fish. I got a fish. Oh, he's off. Lame. Oh. Right when I was landing in. That's a little bass. There, right when I was winding in, the tiniest bass. Okay, well now I gotta fish a bit more. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 10 sunfish following this thing. Sometimes it's more fun to just watch them than actually catch them. Here. Oh, who'd I get? Who'd I get? Sunny good. Woo! Harassed every sunfish in this place. Oh, there you go. I want a bass so bad. I caught a dink bass, but you know that one earlier? Like that first bass I got was nice. This guy swallowed it. And I got the hemostats. You can live to see another day. Look, some of these sunfish are like actively huge. Like, it's almost concerning how big they are. Little Bassie! Little Bassie! I want big Bassie, I don't want little Bassie. I got the damn hemostats on again. Oh, he's out. Smallies, I don't know. Little Bassie. You free! Okay, that birthday cake. I'm assuming it's birthday cake. Taffy was the best one. Oh! See, that's the bass I want. Want to do one last beaver hunt?
He's down there.
Oh.
That way. He's over by the shore down there.
Okay.
My way this way.
I heard him! Where is he swimming? There he is.
Stuck on a log. That's not good.
I just want to see him swimming under me. The channel, like, there's a swim channel here. I saw that earlier. Bobber. Actually, I need that. Cool. That's a nice one, too. Bats, bats, bats. Those aren't birds, those are bats. Bats! Oh my gosh!
Jesus Christ, Linda.
They're not gonna do anything.
No.
They gotta echolocate, you know?
Yeah, but some of them don't know how to echolocate very well.
Dude, we were dry fly fishing and they used to take dry flies off the water and it was like, what the fuck? I don't want to catch a bat. Like, what? Like, you have to get off the hook? Like,